Hi guys, welcome to HardReset.Info channel. Today I have Infinix Note 40 Pro Plus and I want to show you how I remove magnification to this device. Firstly, open Settings application where we scroll and look for our special function in it, accessibility, and there magnification, which is off. To turn on it, tap there and turn on by switch, confirm by got it, and we have our shortcut, which position we can easily change by tap on it and swipe with it on screen. To zoom our screen, press on it and tap on screen. You can also change position of your zoom using two finger and swiping on the screen. You can also zoom on or zoom out, or when you use only one finger you can go up and down. To turn off it, press again on your shortcut magnification, and that's all. Thanks for watching, see you soon, bye.